I'm just going to quickly speak about the importance of really not restricting any food groups. We really need all types of food groups, no matter, the condition we have, right? So many people, for example, who have diabetes are like, well, I can't eat carbohydrates, but that's not true. It's one of these things that we have to get out of our heads of just saying, well, I can't have this and I can't have this, and I'm overweight, so I can't have food that have fat and anything like that, because that's actually ultimately going to bring us down a really bad rabbit hole. So we want to make sure that we're eating healthy, we're choosing healthy choices, and that we're choosing healthy choices within all of those food groups. So we want to make sure we're having those macronutrients, right? The proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. We want the complex carbohydrates, the healthy fats, the lean proteins, things like that. We want to make sure that that's all going to be in our diet. We also want to make sure that we are getting, things that include the micronutrients as well, right? So the vitamins and the minerals, a lot of the macronutrients include those micronutrients. So that's fine. And that's not something that we really need to focus on, day by day. But every day we do want to make sure that we are including all of the food groups. We also want to make sure that, we're taking care of ourselves in a way that we're not allowing ourselves to restrict anything for good, right? We should be able to enjoy things in moderation. And I actually was talking to a group the other day, and something came up about going to the movies. And most people go to the movies. I mean, I can probably count on 3 fingers how often I go to the movies in a year. It's probably twice. It's really not something that we should do. We shouldn't go to the movie theater and say, I can't have popcorn and enjoy, let's say, a soda. If somebody who does have diabetes should probably go for a diet soda. And I'm not recommending drinking diet soda all day, every day as our main beverage. But when we're going to the movies, I think it is an important thing for us to know that we can and we should enjoy these indulgences, because it's probably not something that we're doing very often at all. So really, I think that's the important part about, intuitive eating, not restricting things from our diet, making sure we're making healthy choices on a day-to-day basis, but knowing that these small indulgences, every so often are not only not going to hurt us, but they're important for us. They're important for our mental health and for everything of that sort.